Hi, Grady. Today we're going to work on this math page, and we're going to learn to tell time to the hour. So we're starting a new unit here, or a new unit on time. You're going to learn to tell time today. That's really exciting. So in order to start, we're going to do this page, and it says start at 1, write the missing numbers. So I see 1, 2, then there's a missing number. You write what's there that's missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something's missing. 10, 11, 12. Okay? So write all of that in. And then we're going to look down here. This shows the face of a clock. And we read the numbers this way. Do you see it says start and then it has an arrow? So we're going to start here and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's a missing number. Put what number is missing. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What comes next after 11? Put the number. Put what's missing. And it says, how are a face clock and ordering numbers alike? Well, a face clock has numbers that go in order as well. And a clock always goes this way. It starts on 1, 2, 3, and goes around and around and around like that. So we're just going to turn the page now. Hopefully you got that done. And it says, what does this clock show? The hour hand points at the 3. It's 3 o'clock. Let me get one of my clocks out that I have in the classroom. I'll send one home with you. Okay, this is a brand new clock. And I just want to show you here. We're not going to worry about the minute hand on this page because that would just make it trickier probably. But you can take a look at a clock. Look, a clock has 2 hands normally. It has a long hand, that's called a minute hand, and it has a short hand, and that's called an hour hand. And on our clock here, the minute hand is blue, and the hour hand is red. And so on our page today, we're only going to worry about the hour hand, the red one. And that's the shorter of the 2 hands. If you look at the clocks on your page, they don't even have the minute hand yet because we want to learn about what the hour hand means first. And so in this clock, the hour hand points at the 3. Can you see how it's pointing at the 3? So it's 3 o'clock. We say 3 o'clock when it's on the 3. And this is how we write it. And you can trace over this. We write 3 ... 0 0. That means that it's 3 o'clock. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We'll do a few more together here. Which number is the hour hand pointing at? It's pointing at the 9, right? That means it's 9 o'clock. So write down here how 9 o'clock looks, and that's a 9, then ... 0 0 for 9 o'clock. Let's look at the next one. The next one is on which number? What's the hour hand on? The 1, right? So that's 1 o'clock. We're going to write 1 ... 0 0. All right. Now, the next one, what is the hour hand pointing at? It's pointing at the 11, isn't it? So we'll put 11 ... 00. Okay, this is looking like a pretty easy page, right? Can you tell what time this is? What number is it pointing at? How about this one? What number is it pointing at? I bet by now you have a pretty good idea of how to read the hour hand. But I guess since there's a little bit more till you get on your own, I'll do a little bit more for you here. So this would be 6 o'clock, right? Because it's on the 6. So you'd put 6 ... 00. And the ... has another name. This is called a colon. That's the way instead that grown-ups say, instead of ... they say colon. And it helps us know those two, that colon there helps us know the hour from the minutes. Later we may learn how to do the minutes. And this is the hour on this side of the colon, and these are the minutes. Okay? Now, this is 7. 7 : 00. And this is at the 5, right? So it will be 5 : 00 for 5 o'clock. All right, now the next page says on your own. So you need to look and see what the hour hand is pointing at and write it down. I think that this should be an easy page for you, Grady. You'll do a good job. If you need help, you can call me, but I think you're going to know what to do. On the back side, it says, which time is not the same? Circle it. So you have 4 different times here. Do you see that? And one says, what time does that say? Okay. What time does that say? What time does that say? And what time does that say? There's one of those 4 clocks that is not the same, and the other 3 say the same time. So you want to circle the one that is not the same. This problem says Manny leaves for school at 8 o'clock. Write and draw to show 8 o'clock. So over here, you're going to draw an arrow pointing to show 8 o'clock. Then you need to write 8 o'clock right here. All right. It says, look at the hour hand. What time is it? Okay, I think you're going to know how to do that. So good luck, Grady, and we will see you tomorrow morning.